In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the list of blocked contacts on your iPhone running iOS 26. It's super simple and you can do it in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. From there, find and tap on Phone. That's the one we're looking for. Once you're inside the phone settings, scroll down until you see the option called Blocked Contacts. Tap on it, and here you'll see the full list of people you've blocked on your device. This includes anyone you've blocked from calling, messaging, or FaceTiming you. You can also add new numbers to the block list from here, or unblock someone if you change your mind. So yeah, that's how easy it is to check your blocked contacts on iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.